Day 1 here in Boracay. Let's go. Fit for the day, hindi na bago sa inyo to. Sinuot ko na to sa bantayan, black pants, and then my top, pack. Currently looking for Samgyup. And we're here. This is the place. That's not a success. It's not only. Kwento ko na lang later. But we're off to 928 Cafe and Grill kasi only wings and only sisig daw doon. We're back at the beachfront. And we're here. And then now Basha and I will feel the water. Just feel it. So this is Boracay. And this is the famous Boracay sunset. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!